She get lonely, 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 lonely. All my single ladies, all my single ladies, all my single ladies, all my single ladies. Now put your hands up. You lonely RASS. It's enough woman nowadays, you know. When them do with them friend, you know, be a scandal, them scandal man. Oh man, that's why I don't want a man. Me single and free to mingle, red. Bitch, no you are not. You are single as and it hurts. You are lonely. Somebody come and play. Somebody come and play today. You are Jupiterian. Yes, I said it. Jupiterian. Meaning, we know you are there, cold and lonely, barely getting any sun. And in your case, John Sun, your coochie is like a desert. Even when it gets wet, nobody's there to pitter patter in your puddle. Lonely bitch. Single and lonely, that's what you are. But you're single and happy. No bitch, you are a sad lump. Right now your coochie is probably like antique furniture, cobweb, dust. When was the last time you used this? When in the day with a friend them there, team don't need a man. That's right girl, high five. But as soon as you reach home, that's right girl, team don't need a man. See you next week. God please, please send me a man. Oh God. The house just cold and lonely. Oh God! No homo. Sometimes we just feel sorry for the lonely girl them. You ever see them on one party yet? You have the one them where constantly just a check their phone. Bitch, you know the credit! Check their credit all 12,000 times. Then you have the one them where you fake text and ping. Bitch, you not text nobody! Then you have the one them where pretend like say them a talk to the man where they know how. Yes, babes. Bitch, you know you're not talking to nobody. You lonely. Yeah. Bitch, stop pretending with your lonely ass. This one is definitely a signature move for lonely girls in a party. This are them bust the lonely girl hug up. Yeah, you know a lonely girl hug up when I talk about. Lonely. And during the hug up, you see some of them are rub their shoulder. Bitch, you don't get no loving tonight. That bitch cold as And then you have another move where they make. They rub the shoulder and look around if no dick approach. Cause them bitches lonely, man. Somebody come and play. Somebody come and play today. I go home. Bitch, you single and lonely. You get no man. Couldn't get a man if you climb up to the top of a tree and ball out. I want a man! I need a man! God send me a man! No. No homo. Some of you girls take a lot of pride in being single. But did you know that women who are single have a higher risk of becoming sick than women who are in relationships? Fun fact for you lonely ass. Hey, shout out to PS24A. I was learning. I hope I passed that exam. Oh, shit. But I don't know if someone will feel like say a true God make Eve feel Adam. Like God make Eve for Adam. Cause Adam did want a woman. God make Eve for Adam. Why you no need man? I just one way the thing work. No. But guess what? You need Johnson just as much as we need Punania. As a man, you will say, yo, but I can't deal with woman sometime, you know. But 2 seconds later, baby, you're sweet like grapefruit. Stop with this crazy talk about you don't need no man and you can't use penis in a box. Can the penis in a box hug you? Can the penis in a box cuddle with you? Can the penis in a box kiss you? Can the penis in a box perform any form of affectionate up in there? Can the penis in a box say, who's your daddy? Who's your great granddaddy on your mother's side? Alright, maybe not like that. But you get what I'm saying. You don't need a man, huh? Single bitch? Lonely bitch? Why? It's because you have a penis? Well, you know what? Go find a man. Get this quick and simple. You need a man, we need women. Let's join together and subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, idiot. Yes, man.